Now that I have this pattern in here, I want to add a synth line using the Toraiz AS1. So let's go to a track that I haven't used yet. And with this track, I'm going to unmute it. Ahead of time, I took a 5-pin MIDI output from my Toraiz Squid, and I went from output 2 into the Toraiz AS1. On the Toraiz AS1, I pushed the global button, and then I used my parameter knob to get to menu 5, and I use value to change that to 12. So that's receiving down MIDI channel 12. I'll push global and get rid of that. So I have track 15 selected. It's going out MIDI to channel 12. So when I go to the scale that's in A minor pentatonic, I'll be able to perform with the AS1 from the Squid. I want to octave that down, so I'll use my left parameter. Just up a little bit from there. And for this, I'm just going to perform one note at a time. So let's do record. And I'll add something on the first beat. Here we go. Now I'm going to add a second note in the scale. Let's add a third. Let's add a fourth. And we'll turn off record. And now I'm going to do track mute. I'm going to get rid of the Rhodes. Get rid of the hi-hat. And I'll get rid of the kick. With the Toraiz AS1, it has a lot of different ways to control and change the sound. And I can use the Squid to control that functionality. I'm going to press Shift and then CC, and I'll use my rotary encoder to select channel 1, and with channel 1, I'm going to set that. CC1 will be on 102. There we go. And I'll select CC2, so this knob here. Again, I'll push in the rotary encoder, and I'll do 103. So now I have filter cutoff and filter resonance from the Squid plugged into the AS1. So if I turn CC1, you can hear that I can turn that sound, cut off all those high tones really quickly. And by turning this, I can manipulate that sound. Let's use the step sequencer to change how that voices out over time. So I'll push this first pad, and I'll hold it down, and I'll select a note where it's kind of open. Let's grab this note, and we'll do the same. Just a little bit more open, and on pad 13, we'll make it a lower number again. And let's add some resonance as well. And let's unmute the other tracks to see if it still sounds good.